Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and this video is not going to be a makeup tutorial video. In this video I am going to show all my shoes which I've got for my wedding. And you all know I'm getting married in January and I am shopping for that marriage, and I am making this wedding diary for you girls who are getting married, who are about to get married, and for not getting married. This thing will help you in your daily life also. So let's get started with the video. So I'm getting married and I want a really good footwear for me for daily uses and for occasions, and for my wedding day and my Sangeet day. And I want really comfortable shoes. I am not a really high heel person. I really like flat footwear. So but this time I've decided to go for good heels. So I wear heels, but very what do you call, I am not comfortable with the heels, so a lot of time I wear my flats. So let's get started. So my first footwear is from Charles and Keith, and I was really excited for this because these are my favorite, and I'll show you. So this is the box in which they came, and you open it. I purchased all the footwears which are like multi-purpose uses, which I can wear on my Indian clothes, and in which I go for with my Western clothes. And I was spending my money on multi-purpose shoes. So these are my Charles and Keith. As you know, I am not that heel person, so I doesn't feel comfortable in really high heel or pencil heel. So I went for these broad heels which have glitter on it, and a flat which after wearing this heel, I feel like I am not wearing heels, I am wearing flat. So I am very bad in explaining things, so I hope you all understand what I am trying to say. So here is a string which you will tie on your leg, and they are really soft, really comfortable. I really like them. Originally they were around 8,000, and when I was in the shop, there was going some discount, and I just going through all these shoes and everything, and then the sale girl came to me and she said that, ma'am, please look these sandals, and they are new arrivals, and normally we don't have any kind of discounts on them. It just, we are celebrating Independence Day, so we are giving 50% discount on not 50%, I think 60% or something. So we are giving this discount, and you will get these sandals on discount. And when I see this sandal, I was like, I need to buy this in 50% sale, and they gave me, and it came, and I bought in like 3,000 bucks, and that is like, for me, that is like 3,000 for this, worth it. So this is my first heel. They gave in really cute packaging, and the funniest part is they have this sandal in golden also, but on that day they are not having that color. And my little sister started, please di mujhe bhi dila do. So she ordered her sandal in golden, same sandals, only in goldens. Then I went for my bridal sandal, but I am not sure I'm going to wear this on my wedding day, because there is some story for this sandal, so I'm not going on that. So then my next sandal is from Aldo, and my sandals are gold. So these are the sandals, and I really like them. They are so comfortable and so beautiful after wearing. This is in gold color. As I've already told you, I wanted my shoes multi-purpose, that I can wear with my traditional Indian outfits, with my Western outfits. So if you have seen the gold black one, that is the same purpose solving, and this is also the I can go. And the funniest part of this sandal is, when I went for this when I went for my sandal shopping, and I entered in Aldo store, there was going discount, like 50% discount on everything, and I've selected this sandal for me, and I was paying for this at the billing counter, and we are thinking this sandal will cost me around 3,400, and I was prepared for 3,400, and the billing person said me, ma'am, there is a special discount going on, and this sandal is on 70% discount, which means you will get this sandal at the rate of 2,100. And I was like, what? This is a deal. And my sister went crazy, and she started looking for her also, and they didn't have her size in their store, and which is the funniest part of this shopping. So I really enjoyed this Aldo shopping, and after this I went for some casual footwears for my honeymoon and everything. I really wanted a gladiator sandal for my honeymoon, and I've got one, and which are, and I've bought these gladiator sandal from the West Side store, and these are the gladiator sandals, and they are really comfortable. As you all know, I really like flat sandals, and I really love this gladiator sandal. I have a zip over here, and these are really comfortable because they have elastic over here. I really like these sandals, and they were $12.99, which means 1,300. I know they are a bit expensive, maybe, I don't know, not expensive, they are okay, and I really wanted them, so I got them. Then I have gone for a really comfortable chappal, which I can wear with my suits and saris and everything. So I've bought these wedges sort of chappal, which has golden detailing, which look really good with the saris and suits, and they are really comfortable, and they are really cheap also. They are around 1,099, which means 1,100, and I really like them. And after this, this is also from West Side, and after this I bought really cute sandals. I've seen these kind of sandals in Charles and Keith, and you can say this is a dupe of them. So these are the sandals. They are having a really comfortable heel, and this have this transparent plasticky thing detailing. I don't know what you call them, but they are really comfortable and really look smart. They are nude, so it will go with everything, traditional wear, western wear. As you all know, I've already told you, I've gone with this concept in my mind that I will buy all the shoes with the multi-purpose thing. So these are these. I really like them. My sister loved them. Then I bought these comfortable shoes. These are in black. They have really cute detailing over here, which is like bit shimmery, and they are like some plastic or something, and they are from Ginger, and these are really cheap and comfortable, so I bought these for daily wear, casual wear. These are like $4.99, which means 500, and in 500 these kind of shoes, it's a deal. And then I've got some more flats. So these are the more flats. These are in nude color. They are a bit shimmery. I don't know you can see or not, and they are quite casual and comfortable and soft, and they are also from Ginger. Yes, they are from Ginger, and they cost me 807.99, and I really love them. They are so comfortable. And then finally I've got these. They have bit snake print detailing here and net detailing over here. They are flat and they are super comfortable. They are in black color. They will go with everything which is like Indian traditional wear or western wear. And these are from Ginger, and they are like $4.99. that means 500, and this is a deal. After this I bought a comfortable casual sandal, and these are not sandal, these are the chappals, and they have these bit what you call beads detailing on them, and they are really soft and comfortable, and they look really pretty whenever I will wear them. And these are like $4.99. I know they are a bit expensive, but they look so good on me, so I have to buy them. And after this, the last and final shoe of my shoe haul. I don't know after this I'm going to buy any more shoes or not, because I already have some my old shoes, and these are almost 11 shoe pair I think, and I am done with my shoe shopping. So these are the last, and they are from Paprika. I really love this brand. My fiance got me a really cute clutch from Paprika. He went to Chandigarh and he bought me a clutch from there. And these are the sandals. I really love this. I already have these kind of sandals from Metro, but they are really old and they are about to die. So I bought them because they are so multi-purpose uses. You can wear this with your shorts, denim, western wear, Indian traditional wear. They are flat, quite comfortable, and I have detailing over here also with some gold detailing, and this buckle and everything. And these are really comfortable, and these are 1099, which means 1100, and they are really comfortable. I really like them. So this complete my all shoe shopping, and I hope you really like this video. I hope it will help you at some point whenever you go for shopping, for your wedding shopping. Try to buy those things which are multi-purpose uses, so you can use them more, because you are doing your wedding shopping and you are spending a lot of money. So you need to think that you are buying a thing which you can use for a really long time. I don't know what I am saying. Please try to understand. Please follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I will link all the details in the description box. Till then, bye, take care, love you guys, bye.